What's going on again? It's your boy Wiz and I'm back again with another video. You already know what time it is. So today guys I want to show you how I actually made 2,600 USD using this simple strategy, right? So I'm about to break down the whole thing, the reason why I actually took this trade, right? So as you can see, we just hit TP right now. As you can see, I actually send a signal in a VIP group, right? So if you're not in this group, you're actually missing out a lot, gang. So now let me show you, let me just show you. Hey, look, man, I'm super excited because we just been killing it back to back, so as you can see, this is the signal that I actually send. I tell my people, yo, let's buy, let's sell, right? So and then the market went down, and then I was just like keep on updating them, telling them, and here the market was very closer to TP, and as you can see, we actually hit the TP with 152 pips gain. So, and as you can see, this is my screenshot here. I just made 2,600, and also here, actually I mistakenly opened one trade, the first one, right? But I ended up closing it because it was a small lot size, and I was not planning to open it with a zero point 0.1, right? So now let's just go back and show you guys the reason why I actually took this trade. So as you can see, yesterday we only took one trade, and I showed you that we only took one trade. And today we already took another trade, right? Yesterday we hit TP, and today again we already hit TP, right? Yesterday we didn't trade it during New York session. We only traded during London session, right? So now let's go back on the chart. Let me explain to you the reason why I actually took this trade, gang. So yo, hey, so now let me explain to you guys. So first of all, it's very simple like this. The market was going up. The market was going up here, right? And then it was all fine going up, but it was not going up like it was just like going up. And then by the time the market come all the way down, as you can see, the market we had a very huge drop, right? And then as soon as the market come down, it actually break these supports, which is this support here, right? And then the market come and it start and it retects these supports. Hey, as you can see, guys, it actually retested the support and then it come down. And that time I was like, yo, now it's time for me to sell. But at the same time, I need another confirmation, guys. I need another confirmation. So, and then the market start also ranging, all right? The market start consolidating, as you can see, going like this, like this. So by the time the market was consolidating, that's when I put another line here. I put another line down here, right? As you can see, if the market come down and it break this line, and then I'm actually gonna sell. So, and that's exactly what happened. The market come down like this, and it break this, and it break this support again. And when the market break that support, and immediately I open a sell position, and I told my people, let's sell this, let's make this money. So that's exactly what I did, and yeah, and as you can see, guys, the market just start going all the way, went all the way down. And remember, yesterday we actually spoke about the triangle, right? The triangle, and it's also same thing, but this one is kind of like a bullish flag, as you can see. But the market, you see, every time the market is going up, the market is going down or up, right? Before it continues, the market is always form a a pattern. You understand? So those patterns can be a triangle, it can be a bearish flag. If the market is going down, it can be a bearish flag. It can be a bearish flag. It can be triangle. It can be head and shoulder. It can be, you know what I mean? So you have to pay attention to those little things, guys. So as you can see, when the market came here, after the market came, dropped down, and then it didn't, before it went down, it started like a forming this one here. I can call it a range or something like that, guys, but I'm not quite sure. But you can see there is a clear support and resistance support here down. So when the market came down and it break that support, and that's when we actually took a trade. And yeah, and that's exactly what happened, guys, as you can see. So I like to keep my chat clean. I think that's why most people, you guys, you don't actually see me like drawing things. I just already know what I'm actually looking in the chat. So after taking the trade, I like just to keep my screen clean so that I can actually see what is happening in the chart. You understand, guys? So yeah, I do actually do analysis. Yeah, don't forget that. So now, as you can see, so after taking this trade, now this is my secret, guys. I'm only telling you because you, my people. So my secret is when I actually take a trade, I don't close. I don't close that trade. I only let the trade around until it hits my TP or my stop loss. That's exactly what I do. Now, I'm going to tell you the reason why I do that because I don't want to mess my RR. I don't want to mess my risk reward, because like I said, my risk reward is a 1 to 3, right? So 1 to 3, as you can see, if you press here, you can see risk reward ratio 3:1. You understand? And this is what I do like every day, every time, right? So yesterday we actually hit TP, and today we already hit another TP. So meaning we already, in order for us like to lose, right, we need to lose at least 6. You see, so this week it's already a win, it's already a W for us, it's already a W for us because there's no way we're gonna lose 6 trades, gang. So here we caught yesterday, we caught some 100 and something pips. Today we just catch, as you can see, 150 pips. That's 1,500 points that we actually caught today. And yeah, that's again. That's it. That's what we do again. That's what we do. So if you are not in this VIP group, guys, you are missing out a lot. I don't know what to say again. I don't know what to say. So if you actually want to learn, you want to earn while you are still learning, this VIP group is the place to go. It's the place to be. Let me just show you again. So as you can see, this is the trade that we took. We took this trade here. You know, this is the trade that we took. This is the exact entry. Excel, let's sell, and then the market went down, and everybody catch it. Every person who's in this VIP caught that. Yo, and hit the TP, and now we are done for London session. We are now waiting later during New York session, because we're also gonna trade during New York session, yeah, from 15 o'clock South African time. That's when we're gonna come again and be online and looking for other sniper entries because, as you know, yo, I'm all about sniper entries, gangs, So yeah, I'm very good at that because I only trade it when the momentum is good. As you can see, this one we take a trade and then boom, So and the forex is all about timing. So when you know what time is the pair that you are trading, what time is the what time is the best to trade, and that's all. That's all because you don't want to get caught up in a consolidation. You don't want to get caught up in the manipulations. You see, there is a time where the market always move with a high, with a long candlesticks and a high with a huge wicks. That's you don't want to get caught up in that one. So you need to know what time exactly you want to trade. Yeah, and the market of the condition that's going on in the market. Just this condition here I can trade or this one or not. So that's just again. So if you Hey, for those who is asking which broker do I use, I will leave the link down below in the description. Just click the link, open the account with them, and thank me later again. And if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link will be down below as well. So just click that link, join our free Telegram group, 100% free. You don't have to pay. But if you want to join our VIP, it's optional. It's up to you. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. I will see you again on the next one. Cool.